Unknown facts about Marvel Cinematic Universe that will blow your mind. In Captain America: Civil War, the filmmakers used a body double and CGI to make Chris Evans look smaller in the scenes where he is supposed to be a scrawny pre-super soldier Steve Rogers. The character of Yondu in Guardians of the Galaxy was originally supposed to have a different design, but director James Gunn was inspired by a dream he had about the character. The character of Howard the Duck made a brief appearance in the post-credits scene of Guardians of the Galaxy, voiced by Seth Green. The famous "Avengers Assemble" line was not said until Avengers: Endgame, even though it had been teased in previous films. The design of the Spider-Man suit in the MCU was heavily influenced by the character's appearance in the Ultimate Spider-Man comics. The original Iron Man script included a scene in which Tony Stark fights a robot dinosaur, but it was ultimately cut. The name of the planet where the final battle takes place in Thor: Ragnarok, 2017, Sakaar, was originally spelled Sakaar in the comics. Robert Downey Jr. was paid only $500,000 for his role in the first Iron Man movie, while he made $50 million for Avengers: Endgame, 2019. In Avengers: Age of Ultron, 2015, Captain America's shield was made of a combination of vibranium and an experimental metal called proto-adamantium. Tom Holland, who plays Spider-Man in the MCU, found out he had been cast in the role while attending a screening of Marvel's Captain America: Civil War, 2016. The visual effects team for Doctor Strange, 2016, created over 300 different designs for the Eye of Agamotto. The character of Groot was originally created in 1960s by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby for Tales to Astonish No. 13, but the version seen in Guardians of the Galaxy, 2014, is based on a later incarnation from the comics. The post-credits scene of Iron Man, 2008, was added at the last minute, after the success of test screenings convinced the filmmakers to tease a potential sequel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such facts videos.